Let's learn how to make a macrame keychain, even with difficulties. So, I got this nice kit from my aunt, and I was really excited to learn how to do some macrame. This is a nice little kit that came with some hooks and wooden beads. I like the assortment of colors and different variety of things that you can make with it. These wooden rings are also really nice for making different plant holders and stuff. I also got these cute little tiny ones. There's a ton of this macrame string. I'm not exactly sure of the correct wording for it. And some wooden poles as well as metal rings. My kit came with some instructions, so I'm going to look through it with you. Oops, I had it upside down. I personally don't learn very well with instructions like this, but it has a little video that I looked at and it was really helpful. I tried to scan this QR code but didn't work, but this is the channel on YouTube that I got it from. I could have just made a plant holder, but I wanted to make a keychain. So that's what I'm making today. Now that we've unboxed everything, we can officially get started. So I'm going to measure out 250 centimeters on this string. It's a little challenging because my ruler doesn't go that far, but I'm still making it work. Once the string is cut, we're also going to make a 130 centimeter string. It is okay that this string is way shorter than our first one. After setting that string aside as well, we're going to repeat and make another 250 centimeter string. Not shown in the video here is me using another string, probably about 100 centimeters. Just set that string aside, you don't want it in this part. Now take your shorter string, so that's 130 centimeters, and put it in half. Then we're going to loop it onto a hook or keychain ring, whatever you have on hand. And then we need to grab our longer string, but instead of folding it in half, we want to measure out one side the same as the shorter string, and we're going to have an excess amount of string at the end. This step is very important in making our keychain. So keep this measurement and fold it onto the keychain beside our other string. Repeat the same process with our other string, which should also be 250 centimeters long. Once all our strings are attached to the keychain loop, we're going to do forwards knots and then backwards knots on with each of the two side strings. That's why we needed them to be longer than the middle strings. Once we have our knots according to the length we prefer, we get to do the very last step, and this is making it into an actual keychain. With our 100 centimeter string, we're gonna make a little loop at the end and make sure we're not gonna wrap our string around it. Then we can wrap our string around the actual keychain itself, keeping it together. Once we've wrapped our 100 centimeter string around the keychain about 9 or 10 times, loop the excess string into our little hoop and then pull it through so that our knot will remain tight and hidden. Then we can safely cut off all our excess string, and soon we'll be done. Here's the final product. Thank you to everyone who watched this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Have fun making this keychain craft.